Oh, okay, so let's continue with the Snowden plumbing project that I'm tracing out. So I'm on the 5th level, sanitary, and what I want to do is drain these fixtures. Kitchen sink, there's a lavatory, washer dryer, there's a shower here, and a floor mounted flush tank that has a 4-inch. I put a 4-inch pipe on here. Let's look at this. Let's look at the. What happened? Okay. Let's look at this section. I'm gonna go and see. Section. Give me a reference. Let's go here. Okay. So that's what that is. So we're gonna go. I need to go down to the next floor, which will pick up the fixtures on the level below. And I think I'm gonna do, because I need to, let's go here and all the way up. No sloping. I'm not sloping. I usually don't slope in these tight quarters like this, but if it's like 100 feet, 50 feet, then I will slope. I think, let's just leave it like, okay, so where are we? Here, and we need a combination there. Bring it down a little. Maybe I can go up some. Just want to make sure I cover the floor. And we are at 4 inches. I'm going to keep it at 4 inches. These drains are going to be 2 inches, but this could go to 3. Let's see. Let's go to 3 inches. Let's go to 3 inches. So now it's a 3-inch pipe. So now what I need to do is connect all of my other equipment. Plumbing fixtures. Let's go back. I have a washer group that I like to use, and so I'm gonna go and let's flip this guy. Where's the flip? Where's the flip? Where's the flip? Flip. Okay, so we got that. Come down and we can see our main pipe, and I'm going to bring this guy over, and it's connecting. I'm not going to make the actual connection unless you're counting fixture units, and I'm going to ungroup this, come here, and what I need to do, I think that I'm going to make this a 45 because I'm going to need to come off and have that go at an angle over 45. So what we need to do is rotate this, my section view. Let's go here. We are rotating by, wow, all the way around, huh? So at 135, 135. And we come here. So I'm going to make the connection here and at a 45-degree angle. Let's go back, and we are here. So I'm going to come down, go over, and let's go back, come down and take my time and go over, down, over. Now I make the alignment here, okay? So modify, make the alignment here, here. Go back to the floor plan and make the connection. So we can make the connection. We are extending here, here, and make that connection. And I think that we can come, okay. So that looks good, and we need to put a, let's put a cap here, and select, just kind of close it out a little bit. just a little bit. That can be a 3-inch, but the main point I want to say is how to make the connections. And the size depends on your preference. It can be a 3-inch, it can be a 4-inch, depending on your budget. But I know this shower has to have a cap. So we're going to do this here, and we're going to come back here. You see, Revit goes back and forth here. And there, I'm going to put a trap here. Okay. So now that we have our trap, we can align our, but before we do that, we always have to make that 45 degree if we're at that angle, using our section tool to make the 45 degree. And from here, I can come off of the end, but going back to the floor plan and making that angle, make a 45 degree angle here, and say 45, come back and make our connection. And always we have to align our piping before we make the connection. Okay, so that's coming out at 45 degrees. We are aligning this pipe and this pipe and that pipe. So we go back and extend. Okay, so we make those two connections. Let's sync. Okay, so we got our 3 fixtures connected. We have our washer and dryer, and we have our shower and connected to our water closet. So now what we need to do is bring in our lavatory. Okay, so we have that, and we can go here and look at our lavatory. Okay, so at 2.9, 2.10. Okay, it's a little bit higher, but I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it, and we want, what's that, a 1.5? We're going to change that to a 2-inch. After we go into the wall, I'm going to come all the way down so I can get under the floor. But this is going to be a 2-inch connection. And of course, we need our P-trap. Okay, so that's that. And again, you want to make the 45 degree angle, because we're going to come out. Okay, and we're going to connect here, but I want to connect. I could connect my 2-inch here, come out, go over, but that might be too much of a drop. Let's see. Let's just see. Let's just see what's going on. We are going to go here and 45. I want to see. Okay. And this is when I like to test this. So I can slope down at 1/8. Let's go 1/4, because it's less than 3, I think. If it's less than 3, it can go 1/4 inch. So let's go back. So I want to look. Oh, here we go. Let's go down and go over. But what I can do, I can come up just a little bit. Okay, and make that connection. There's some space in here. So now what I want to do is look at that section, and we can go here, go 45, and let's just take a look and see what we got. Let's see. So it can come down. So I can make that connection, huh? But I'm not gonna slope it. Let's undo. Did I slope here? Yeah. I'm gonna erase this, all of this. I'm gonna leave that. I'm not gonna be lazy. Let's go here. Okay. So I can come out at an angle and select. Let's go. Let's go. Right? We're gonna go 45. Okay. Just a little bit. Here. Let me get under the wall. We're coming out no slope, because we know that the slope, if even at a 1/4 inch, we're still above, so we don't need to slope. Or we know that we have enough room. The contractor can make that connection because the lavatory is higher. Let's do this. Let's see if I can make that connection. Now it becomes a fitting problem, right? Let's go here, see if I have enough room to make that fitting. It's a 2-inch fitting, probably won't be that bad, but I can come down a little bit. So now we have our 45. We can rotate our view 45. Okay, and look at this connection. Okay, so we're coming down again. Come down. Okay. Okay, so we're under the trap. That's good. Now we can make, that's an easy connection. That's an easy connection. Easy connection. Let's change this to a, yes sir, where is it? This guy. Flip. Okay. So we made that connection. Okay. Now we have another one. So all of these are connected. Now let's look at our kitchen sink. So we can go up to our kitchen sink, rotate. Let's rotate 90. So what we're gonna do, what's that, 10? Oh, I see. Okay. So I don't know why the other one was at 10, and it seemed like it was the other one. So this is the kitchen sink. Okay, so it's different. So I'm not going to worry about it. So the bathroom sink, the vanity was a little bit higher, lower. Let's go here. You see, Revit wants to move around. Let's go here. Let's change this to a 2-inch. Okay, and the trap is here. Got the trap. Okay. Now, doing the same thing. Oh, we just need to, we got a straight shot. Let's go here and we can go 90. And we are connecting to the riser. Let's see where it is. So we're coming here. And it's gonna be higher, right? It's going down, so it's I can have it go up. I think that's it, right? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We can do that. Okay, I think that there's a 3D. Oh, that's okay. Okay, let's look. Where are we? We're on the 5th level, which is down here. This is what we're doing now. And the piping, that's the floor. Maybe there's a floor clean out here. Where are we? Yeah, okay, so we can do a wall clean out. We can call this a wall clean out. That's fine. Let's go back. Not up too high. I think that what I'm gonna do is make that angle, okay, connect on the riser. Where are we? So connect on the riser here. So let's go back to the floor plan. Oh, there it is right here. We can connect here. Because we're in the wall space. We're in the wall space here. This cavity. We're in this cavity. So I can drop this elbow to connect. So let's just make sure that I'm in line with my riser. Okay, now I'm in line with my riser. So I'll go back, 2-inch connection. Let's go back and make that 45. It's a 45. Just want to make sure that it was at 45. I didn't get a good look. That's 135. Okay, I can live with that. We want it about right there. And I'm going to connect this pipe and that pipe so we can make that connection. Let's go back. You see? Now we have that connection. Looks good. I'm going to leave it there. Put a cap on here. Maybe that is the wall clean out. Okay. So that's that. Let's go here. Let's just take a look at this guy. Okay. Wireframe. Okay. So that's gonna be it for and the rest of it has to be tagged, right? And that's the AutoCAD. That's how it's gonna look when it's printed. Let's just take a look at that. Print. And we can go current visible portion. Setup. We want black lines. Fit. Okay. And can we preview? Looks like it looks okay. Setup. Preview. Yeah, it's just a line weight problem. But that's on your company standards, whatever it is. And now the vents have to be in place. But that looks pretty good. I like it. Close. So I'm gonna stop here. And what was I trying to do? Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here, guys. So I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.